So this recent game, we just ended up getting 100x right here. So we made $67, right? We put in a bet of 0.1 and we got 103x, which was absolutely crazy. We all know AI has been taking over everything, but can it really take over crypto gambling? So today we're going to be taking another look at SolPump and actually asking AI to make a strategy for us that can maximize our gain. So we're going to be looking over what AI does and how effective it really is. So before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this video and what you think about SolPump, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen on SolPump right now. If you don't know what SolPump is basically an online Solana gambling platform. You could play their popular games like Crash, which is again one of the most popular ones. There's Coin Flip, where you could flip a coin, 50-50 chance you win, right? And then you could play Blackjack, which obviously is another casino game, but in crypto form, obviously. So we're going to be asking ChatGPT to give us the best strategy to maximize our profit on Crash, Coin Flip, or Blackjack. So if we head over to ChatGPT really quick, we could see, give me a strategy for an online Solana casino called SolPump. Choose one of Crash, Coin Flip, or Blackjack, and what is the best strategy to maximize my profit. Now, I kept this prompt very simple, right? Let's see how well ChatGPT does with just this tiny prompt. So we're gonna send that in and let's see what it says. We see that best choice is Blackjack. It's the real Blackjack rules. Crash is pure timing and psychology, gambling momentum. Coin Flip is pure 50-50, there's no edge. But Blackjack, only game where strategy actually matters. So core strategy, use Blackjack. Always hit stand double based on the dealer's up card. So stand on 17 plus, hit under 12 versus dealer 7 plus, double 11 always. It also tells us about bankroll management, basically risk 1.3% of bankroll per hand. Bankroll is basically what your balance is in your wallet. So let's say if you have 10 SOL, you're only risking like 0.1 to 0.3 SOL. So that's what ChatGPT is telling us. We could see $1,000, risk only $10 to $30 per bet. It's basically giving the steps on what to do in a Blackjack, but it's giving us also a higher risk strategy for Crash. We could see cash out at 1.3 to 1.8x consistently, never chase big multipliers, use 5 to 10% bankroll per round, and stop after 3 losses in a row. You're basically running small instead of gambling jackpot. So based on this recommendation, let's go ahead and test Blackjack out. So let's go up and see what it says. So example, stand on 17 plus, hit under 12 versus dealer 7 plus, and double 11 always. So let's see, and let's actually head over to Blackjack right here, and then find a new lobby actually, and then place a bet. We're only going to be placing small bets because I'm just showing you as a demo, and we're basically just testing out strategy. So we're just going to be placing small bets, right? Trying to find if the strategy actually works. So we got our Insta wallet loaded up with 0.5 SOL, and let's go ahead and actually look for a new lobby, and let's just go ahead and take this seat. So after this round ends, we're going to be seeing what this can give us. So we're in right here, place our bet, and when the next round starts, we're going to be telling ChatGPT what we got. So we have a 15, what does it say? Stand on 17 plus, hit under. So let's hit actually. Oh nope, we lost it. Okay, let's go in another one and actually lock in this time. So we already got 10, 20. We're gonna stand right here and let's see what we get. Oh, we both got a 2x. That's great, right? That was one out of the 2 rounds that we won. So let's take another one and let's see what happens. So we're at 17 plus. We're standing actually. Okay, we lost that one again because it says stand on 17 plus and we did stand, but we didn't get this. So let's go again and see what we could get. Okay, we're currently at 16. Do we hit or stand? We don't have enough time to actually go to ChatGPT and yep, no, I shouldn't have done that. Anyways, we don't have enough time to actually go to ChatGPT and enter our numbers, whatever we have. But let's just see. Let's just do it one more time, and this is gonna be the last game. Uh, I wish we had more time so we could go to ChatGPT and actually tell ChatGPT what we have, and again, we lost that. So again, blackjack is basically skill based. A ChatGPT won't help a lot because you don't have enough time to go to ChatGPT with every bet telling what numbers you have, what the dealer has, blah blah blah, right? So again, you're basically on your own. It could give you simple rules like stand on 17 plus, blah 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 this, but it won't just help too much based on every game that you're playing. Now, this is only for blackjack. For crash, I also told it to give me a strategy. Let's test out what it could give us for crash. So give me a strategy for crash. Let's see what it could give us. So crash is discipline, not prediction. So instead of chasing 10 to 100x, do constant wins of 0.3 to 0.8, right? Basically, let's say 10, so we're only doing 0.2. So let's go ahead and aim for 1.5x. So if we look at these past plays, we've actually been getting good outcomes. So if we look at, we're actually going insane right now. We can see we had another round with a 10x. This is probably going to be 10x plus already. So these rounds are actually huge right now. So again, since it did go this far in this round and the rest of these rounds aren't great, I've found out that this actually this game is more on a Pareto graph. So what is a Pareto graph? It's basically a graph that looks like this. So most of the time, more than 50% of the time, it's gonna die at 1x. So right, the higher you go, let's say 2x, it's less than a 20% chance it goes to 2x. Again, the more games you play, the more likely it's gonna end up like this scale, right? 20 plus, the chances get higher, but obviously that's everything above 20%. That's why it's so high. So this game is actually crazy right now. It's more than a 200x. So again, this is 1 out of every 100 games, right? So even the next round is going crazy right now. It's already up 3x, right? And it died at 4. So most likely the next round, I've seen a pattern that if one round goes crazy and the second round is decent, the next one will most likely be a better one. So we're just gonna enter this bet right here, and if we get it, we cash out at 2x, automatic cash out at 2x, right? So we're gonna do that auto cash out. We're actually gonna put a 2x right here. Actually, oh, I forgot to click. I accidentally moved my mouse to it went on advanced settings instead of sell. That's actually crazy. We would have gotten that 2x. Just for that, let's go in again and let's see if we could get another 2x out to make up for whatever we lost, right? We would have gotten that 2x if I didn't move my mouse, but it's okay, we got this next round. So, and there we go, we cashed out, right? Simple as that. So these 2x's usually do a lot better than actually aiming for moon bags, right? Again, I could have taken my initials at 50%, which is another good strategy. I've heard AI also recommends that strategy, that take 50% initials at 2x and then let the rest moon bag. So if we actually taken that strategy and implemented that, we would have gotten much better, right? Either take 50% at 2x and then the max at like 10x, right? Whatever, something around that does really good as well. And also we could open our daily case right here, which also is a great feature on SolPump. Again, SolPump also has their own coin, so we got that on the daily case, so that's also really good. And again, these these rounds are going absolutely crazy right now. 113x. So we got 284x, 4x, 2x, 113x. So again, most likely the next few rounds are gonna die out very quickly because we've just gotten crazy numbers, but the odds of getting such crazy numbers in a row are very, very low if we look at the distribution of crash outcome, right? Predicted crash outcome distribution. This is the corrected Pareto. So this recent game, we just ended up getting 100x right here. So we made $67, right? We put in a bet of 0.1 and we got 103x, which was absolutely crazy. I was just playing around, right? I noticed a pattern where we get the last time we got two yellow rockets above 100x, we got actually it did one, skip two, and then did it again. So I just implied, right, just a guess, that it did it once, skip two, and then it did it once again. It went to 264x, but again, I kept taking profits on the way, and overall we ended up taking 0.84. So we did more, about a 8x, right, 9x of our total bet again. Pretty good again. Take profits as you go, because if you don't, you will end up getting rinsed, because again, we started off the challenge with about 0.5, so we're ending the challenge with 1 soul. So we doubled our money throughout this challenge. We did a coin flip again. I went a little bit out of AI, what AI was telling me. We tried blackjack, it didn't really work, but then we switched over to crash. Again, we had one lucky round. Doesn't mean we're gonna win every time, right? As we talked about, this kind of Pareto curve that happens, so the odds of getting that whatever I just got are very, very low. So again, make sure to only risk what you could afford to lose. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take another look at SolPump. Again, we used AI to basically give us a strategy to use in SolPump. We tried blackjack, didn't really work out because again, you don't have enough time to tell ChatGPT what you're currently working with. So it's better off either playing crash, again, taking small profits as you go, or using the 1.3 to 1.x strategies, constantly cashing out. Again, if you could win those more frequently, but it's all about discipline. It's all about luck as well. So if you also want to get on SolPump, use the code Beanie, link down in the description as well. Use that code and you could start wagering as well. So click the link down in the description and you could start using these strategies on SolPump right away. So if you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this video and what you think about SolPump, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching and see you in the next one.